So team, let us welcome to the new topic called VPC Peering. Okay, so let us first see the diagram. So we have two VPCs here. One is in Mumbai region, other one is in North Virginia region, and this is the VPC Peering symbol, and we have two route tables for each VPC. Okay, so so let us understand what is VPC peering. So VPC peering is a network connection between two VPCs that enable connection between instances of both VPC. For example, have VPC in Mumbai region, have VPC in North Virginia, America region. To establish a communication between these two instances, okay, these two instances, EC2 instance in Mumbai region, two EC2 instance North Virginia region, we have a VPC connection. That's the main intention of VPC. So in between two VPCs, we can have a peering connection. Let us go through how it will work. Okay. Let us see. Let's assume that VPC. Let's assume that this VPC, the first Mumbai region VPC is VPCA is Mumbai. Mumbai and has a range of 1020.0.0/16, and VPC B is Northern Virginia. Northern Virginia has a range 120. Just something. Okay. Now, if we want to communicate these situations to two different VPC between each other via private IP, then we should establish a VPC peering connection. It's a common definition. No need to explain this much. Now, how can we establish using in AWS console? In AWS console, I'm not seeing any. I'm not showing in AWS console, but let's understand the central point. If you can understand the central point, the rest of thing is very simple. Okay. So we establish VPC connection between two VPCs, which means, for example, one VPC is request account, another VPC is acceptor account. For example, I want to communicate. For example, VPC. So I'm extremely sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Yeah. So just remove all this stuff. Let us see. For example, I'm in Mumbai region. Okay, I'm in Mumbai region. I want to communicate with this institutions in North Virginia region. Okay, so I am the requester. So Mumbai region VPC is a requester account, and acceptor account is North Virginia region account. Okay, so that's what the major scenario. Okay, note. Now the VPC connection request has been sent from the Mumbai region. Okay, but unless until the North Virginia region VPC is accepted, then only VPC connection is established. Otherwise, it will not be established. Okay. For example, let's say VPC A has sent a connection request, and VPC B has not accepted it, and then connection will not be established unless until VPC A sent a connection. If VPC B accept that connection, only VPC connection will be established. That's what the main intention it is. Okay. Now, VPC. Now let's go to VPC B, which is nothing but a North Virginia region. You will see pending connection. Okay. For example, I have sent a connection from Mumbai region, and if you can go to this VPC B North Virginia account, we'll say pending connection, which means we need to accept that. If we need to accept, if we accept that, then peering connection has been set up. Okay. Until then, okay, here not at complete. So I want to make sure this one. After this one, what should happen? You have to read the routes right. For example, you have the route tables right. See, without route tables, how can the IP address will communicate with each other? So you have to read the routes. So route table in VPC A should have it's okay. This is like a IP address and the peering connection. So route table VPCA in a Mumbai region. Okay, Mumbai region. Assume Mumbai region. Route table in Mumbai region has should have the address of North Virginia region. For example, in the beginning we defined North Virginia region is 172.31.0.0.16, which is I present here. Okay, and is a correction ID of B because we are counting it right. Similarly, for route table for B, we need to give the IP address of Mumbai region, which is 10.1.0.0. That's what we need to be communicate here. Okay. and we have given the VPC connection ID of, I think it's A, not B, right? Yeah. So this is where VPC connection will be established. And this cases VPC peering can be in the same account or other account. Same account says two VPCs in the same account, we can establish a VPC peering connection. Similarly, same region or other regions. This example we have seen so far. Okay. Now, CIDR should not be overlapped in this VPC connection. Okay. And prime peering is not transitive. What does it mean? For example, I have a let's say example. I have a peering connection from A to B and B to A. Okay, that's fine. Now I have another VPC, two VPCs called B and C. Uh, we have peering connection between A to B and we have a peering connection B to C. Doesn't mean that if a connection is established between A and C. This is called, and hence the connection is not established between B and C, and this is not transitive. That means this make a good sense actually. This actually it means, what does it means is this one. Okay, hope you understand guys. We'll go in depth in more practice coming features. So far we can signing off. Hope you understand guys. Thank you.